So I'm inside my monetization manager for my Facebook account, and over the past 7 days I've made over $1,850. Now if we take that amount and we divide it by 7 days, we get on average about $264 per day. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so just a few days ago I posted this video talking about how I made over $3,000 in the past 28 days by simply posting videos on Facebook. If you guys want to watch that video, there's gonna be the link, it's gonna be in the description below. But you guys really liked that video, and some of you asked me, well, how about making money with Facebook Instant Articles? And so what I'm gonna do in this video is break down the process of how to make money blogging using Facebook. And many of you have probably never heard of this, but this is something called Facebook Instant Articles. I've been making money with Facebook Instant Articles for the past 2.5 years since it came out, and I've been able to make some consistent income on a monthly basis. And so what I'm gonna do is show you my income with Facebook Instant Articles over the past 7 days. I'm actually gonna break down for you day by day over the past 7 days and how we are actually using a strategy with Facebook ads in order to generate the traffic and make more money. I'm gonna break it all down for you in this video. So if you're thinking about, well, how can I monetize my Facebook page? There's multiple ways for you to do that. One of those ways is Facebook video ad breaks, which is that video. Like I said, go and watch it. It's gonna be in the description below. The other way is Facebook Instant Articles, which I'm gonna cover in this video. I also have multiple videos in my channel that break down the process of how to set up Facebook Instant Articles and the things that you need to know before you even apply. But now, before we jump into the actual video, I want to remind you that you can always download my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. It's a complete guide with over 40 pages that can teach you how to build a full-time income online using affiliate marketing, using Facebook, using YouTube, and many other different ways for you to start making money online. If you want to make an extra $100, $200 per day, this is the guide that's going to show you how to do it. And like I said, it's completely free. You can download it in the description below. So with that in mind, what we're going to do is I'm going to jump into my computer and break down the numbers for you right now. All right, so we're inside my monetization manager for my Facebook account, and what I'm going to do is just break down the numbers day by day, show you guys how much money I've been making on a daily basis for the past 7 days. And I want to show you from last weekend, mainly because this is where we actually implemented a strategy that is helping us make a little bit more money with Facebook Instant Articles. And basically, if you're looking to learn how to make money blogging on Facebook, this is the best way to do it. But what I want to do is show you the potential of using Facebook and monetizing the content on your blog, or if you don't have a blog, setting up a blog and monetizing that content with Facebook ads, which is what Facebook Instant Articles is all about. So we're gonna go back to the 21st of last weekend, basically because that's where we started using this strategy. I'm gonna click update, show you that's $289 for that specific date. If we go to the 22nd, you can see $525 for that day. Now if we go to the 23rd, $388. If we go to the 24th, click update, you can see $233. To the 25th, you can see $208. So on average, over the past 7 days, we've been making about $250+ per day. And that's mainly coming from a combination of organic traffic and paid traffic. And I'm going to talk about a little bit more on how we're using this strategy to generate more traffic inside of Facebook in order to make more money with Facebook Instant Articles. I'm going to give you more details on how that works in this video. Hopefully, if you're looking to make money online blogging, this is one way for you to monetize your blog. It's not the only way, which of course we also made some money with affiliate sales and other products that we're promoting within those blogs. But at the same time, if you could monetize your blogs in multiple ways at the same time, including Facebook Instant Articles, Google AdSense, affiliate sales, then that actually adds to $400, $500 per day on average. In this case, just from Facebook Instant Articles alone, we've been averaging about $264 per day over the past 7 days. That's not counting Google AdSense or affiliate sales coming from that traffic. So be sure to stay tuned because I'm going to give you all the tips and all the information that you need to know in order to get started with Facebook Instant Articles and how you can make money blogging using Facebook. All right, so now that you've seen the numbers, let's talk about how I was able to get there. What is the process that you need to go through in order to start making money like this? So the first thing you're gonna need is a Facebook page. In order to get monetized with Facebook, you gotta have at least 10,000 likes, and it has to be a page older than 30 days. So if you have a brand new page that you just created in the past 7 days and it has less than 10,000 likes, chances are you're not gonna get approved for any type of monetization. But the best thing that you can do is you can set up a Facebook page on any topic that you want. In fact, I have many videos on my YouTube channel which you can go back to and watch, talking about the best type of topics that make the most money on Facebook and the different ideas and niches that you can jump into. Again, all those videos are going to be found in my YouTube channel, talking about Facebook Instant Articles and how to make money with it. But in a nutshell, you need 10,000 likes on your Facebook page. Once you get 10,000 likes on your Facebook page, then you can start thinking about monetizing your page. Now, luckily for you, getting 10,000 likes on Facebook is actually extremely easy to do because Facebook has something called Facebook ads. So you can pay money to get likes to your Facebook page. You can go as fast as you want. You can get 10,000 likes within 7 days. And I also have many videos, training videos on how to use Facebook ads, which you can use to create ads and get more likes to your Facebook page. So once you have 10,000 likes, you move on to step number 2, and that is setting up your blog. What I recommend and what I personally do is I use Bluehost to set up a WordPress blog, mainly because they have a one-click WordPress install. It's really beginner friendly. You don't need any sort of technical knowledge in order to set up a WordPress blog because you just follow a series of steps. And they also give you a free domain name, and the cost for hosting is about $3 to $4 per month depending on which plan you actually get. So I'm going to put a link for that below so you can go and check it out. But if you don't have any experience setting up WordPress blogs, there's different ways that you can do this. You can go on YouTube and find many different WordPress tutorials that can teach you how to do this in less than a day. Or you can use a website like Fiverr, which has a lot of people and experts that can set up an entire blog using Bluehost in less than 3 hours, basically. So you really don't have any excuse when it comes to setting up your blog, because you can either do it yourself in less than a day or just hire someone for like 15-20 bucks to set up your blog for you in less than 3 hours. Now, there's one thing that you gotta keep in mind is that brand new blogs typically don't get approved for Facebook Instant Articles because they don't have a lot of traffic. So you have to set up your blog, and you can just wait about 30 to 90 days and start getting visitors to your blog. So Facebook, when they actually go and review your blog, they can see that it's a real blog with real content getting real visitors. Because if they see that you have a brand new blog that you set up in the past 7 days that's only getting about 5 visitors per day, most likely you're not going to get approved for Facebook Instant Articles. So this is where having a Facebook page with over 10,000 likes comes in handy, mainly because you can utilize that audience that you have built now to send traffic to your blog over the next 30 to 60 days, get consistent traffic for the past 60 days, and then apply for monetization with Facebook Instant Articles, because now you have real traffic going to your blog. Now, if you need more traffic in order to get approved, you can always utilize Facebook ads to promote your posts and get 100, 200 visitors per day, as many as you need in order to get approved. Which actually brings me to step number 3, and that is applying for Facebook Instant Articles. It's quite simple to do. You can simply go to a specific page that Facebook has and go through the process of selecting the page that you want to apply for monetization, and they actually need to review that blog that you want to submit for Facebook Instant Articles. You need about 10 articles in your blog for review purposes. Once they review those posts, if they see that it's quality content, then you have higher chances of getting approved. If you're just copying and pasting content from one site to your blog, or just pushing any type of content that is not unique, most likely you will not get approved. So applying for monetization with Facebook Instant Articles is very simple to do. You just have to make sure that you have a really nice looking blog, that you have unique content, you have multiple articles, more than 10, and at the same time that you're getting real visitors to your blog. Now, once you get approved, you'll be able to use a WordPress plugin for Facebook instant articles, which basically what it means is that all the content that you post on your blog will be instantly transformed into instant articles for Facebook. Now, Facebook instant articles only work on the Facebook app. So that means when someone is browsing the Facebook app they see an article from your blog, they can click on it. It'll open inside of the Facebook app, and inside of that post you will see ads which you make money from. For every 1,000 ad impressions that you get paid depending on where your traffic is coming from. So you can get paid $2, $3, $4 for every 1,000 ad impressions, whether people actually click on it or not. Simply by seeing an ad within your article, you'll be able to make money. So this is the difference between Facebook instant articles and Google AdSense. With Google AdSense, you basically need people to click on the ads in order for you to make money. With Facebook instant articles, you simply need people to view the ads for a few seconds in order to make money. Step number 4, and this is the last step, and this is what we use to make the type of money that I just showed you a few minutes ago in this video, which is making an average $200+ per day, and that is promoting your content. Basically, when we're able to identify articles that are going viral on our Facebook page, meaning that they get lots of shares and likes and things like that, we tend to promote those posts to wider audiences outside of our Facebook page, and that typically it has a very low cost per click. So you can create lookalike audiences inside of Facebook, and you can promote your top posts. Let's say you select 3 posts for the week that have received a lot of traffic inside of Facebook instant articles. You can promote those posts using Facebook ads, and basically that helps you get organic traffic to other related posts, because Facebook instant articles has a feature that when someone is reading one of your articles within the Facebook app, they actually promote other related posts inside of that single article. So that helps you get organic traffic to your other posts, and as a result you make more money. So by promoting your top article posts on Facebook using Facebook ads, you're able to get lots of traffic, which means more organic traffic for your other related posts, which means more ad impressions, which means making more money. So guys, I really do hope that all of this made sense. I know that I went a little bit fast, but if you guys want more details on selecting a topic for your page, how to set up Facebook instant articles and all of that, I do have more videos on my YouTube channel which you can go back to and watch. I cover all of this in more details, so you guys are welcome to do that. And so in every single video I try to bring you as much value as I can. So if you guys do appreciate that, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.